How you doing, Sneaker World? My name is Andrae Cables of AC Sneaker Restoration. Back at you with another video. What we're about to get ready to do is work on the Red Suede 5 Jordans. We're only going to be working on the left, so we're not going to be working on the right at all. All right, this is gone. This is the one we're working on right here. For your eyes can see. You can see it yourself, the midsole strip. It needs Jesus. That's what we're here for. So we're gonna refix it and restore it. I'm gonna not really concerned about too much of the bottom or anything like that. I have some before pictures. I did ice it up a little bit and everything like that. It's still gonna be very yellow and everything. It really doesn't matter. You know what I mean? We're not focusing on that. You can tell the difference. The one on the left is a little lighter than the one on the right. All right? I cleaned it up and everything. So you see the before pictures before you came to me and everything. So we're ahead of the process and everything. I moved a step ahead of y'all. Because if I had to clean it and everything, I had to let it dry and everything. It takes a little time. All right? But this is the one we're gonna actually be working on. So for this project, what we're gonna need, we don't need this. I'm gonna put it back down. For this project, we're gonna need acetone, masking tape, paintbrush, chili, you need red, chili red, hot pink. I already made it already. I'm not gonna be mixing and adding. I'll let you see it for your view. Also, I added 2 fin in here. I'm gonna be using an airbrush. I'm gonna give it that professional look. Rowley's midsole magic stripper, a scissor, tracing paper for the Jumpman on the back, shoelaces, gloves, paper towels, and for the uppers, red suede dye by Angelis. Give me a few seconds to clear the table, and I'll be right back. Okay, we up there. I took some things off the table, some things I left on the table because I'm gonna be using, okay? But what we're gonna do is first mask up the shoe. After I mask up the shoe, we're gonna start field stripping the shoe. Then we're gonna start prepping it, getting ready for paint. I'm gonna mask the bottom and then I'm gonna do the uppers. I'm using Rust-Oleum tape. It's real sticky, I like using it. You use whatever tape you want, but I'm just telling you what I use. So I'm gonna lay it down on the side like this. When you do this, take your time. going to use a respirator. I have my airbrush gun holder, my airbrush gun. So, like I was saying, if you don't have you can use whatever you want. You can use a 3M mask. You can use whatever you want. You know what I mean? I'm using a respirator because I don't want to inhale the chemicals or anything like that. It's going to get a little noisy in here, so I'm not going to really say too much. I'm going to apply 3 coats of the red. And then after I apply 3 coats of the red, I'm going to mask up the red midsole, and then we're going to go 3 coats of the flame, and then I'm going to unmask everything, and then we're going to work on the uppers, and I'm going to re-dye the suede red. Give me a few seconds so I could change the paint, and I got to do the flame and everything like that. I got to mask up the bottom of the midsole. All right, so as you can see, I painted it red. Now I want to do the flame in black. All right, I went ahead of y'all a little bit, just to catch you up a little bit. I cleaned out the airbrush gun. I removed the masking tape and everything like that. And then I masked other areas that y'all didn't see on camera. Y'all see my masking work from doing the last tutorial with the Jordan Fit 4, and also the black cements, so everybody can see what I did before. You want to see how I mask it, plus you already have an idea how I do it anyway. But what I'm about to get ready to do now, I'm about to get ready to airbrush it. So I want to airbrush it red. So before I start, I'm going to have my respirator on. That's how it look. Some areas may be darker because the reason why is that because there's no suede in some of the areas. You got to remember this sneaker right here. Y'all seen it in early stages. It was trash. Some areas is a little dark, but that's how it look. So I'm gonna get ready to unmask everything for your view. You can see it. Now, I'm not gonna put no laces on it right now because it's wet. So I'm not gonna really be too concerned, but that's all I have for you. You know what I mean? That's it for at the moment. You can follow me on my IG. Everything's posted on. You'll see listed on the screen. And if you need anything done, just contact me or you can email me. That's all I have for you. God bless. Peace.